This is example 44. So example 44, evaluate the integral of the x over square root of x squared minus 16. Where were you getting square root of x squared minus 16? If you were given the integral of the x over square root of x squared minus 1, isn't it? Can you recall that?
Yes.
Over the square root of x squared minus 1. What were you getting? You were getting 1 over a cos inverse of. See, that is what you are getting. You are getting 1 over a cos inverse of x plus c. Meaning this 16 must go to 1, isn't it? That 16 must go to. So if you come to your half 1, when you have square root of x squared minus 16, if you remove 16 outside, it means it is square root of 1 over 16 into x squared over 16 minus 1. If you factorize 16 outside, isn't it? So it means you divide each term with 16.
Yes.
Not 1 over 16. I mean, it is 16 into, if you remove 16 outside, isn't it? Let me put it in like this. I have x squared minus 16. X squared minus 16. If I want to remove this 16 outside, what I do, I put 16 over 16, isn't it? So this 16 is what goes inside over 16 over 16. See there? So it means I have 16 into x squared over 16 minus 1. See there? But 16, remember, is 4 squared. See there? So it means, what do I have? 4 squared into 1 over 4 squared x squared minus 1. So that our a squared x squared. Are you seeing we found it? So you see, we have square root of this. We have square root of. So loss of indices, what does it mean? It means it is square root of 4 squared times square root of 1 over 4 squared x squared minus 1. Because if you have square root of ab, that is square root of a square root of b. Are we together? So square root of 4 squared, you remain with 4 into square root of 1 over 4 squared x squared minus 1. Are we together there? Good. So can you now go back to your original problem? That was just rough one. That was rough one. Are we together?
Yes.
Good. So you have here the square root of the x over root x squared minus 16 is equals to square root of the x over square root of, you remove 16, you take back 16 to 1, isn't it? Meaning you remove 16 outside, inside here you remain with x squared over 16 minus 1, isn't it? Are we together? Then from there it means you have the x over square root of 16. This means you have square root of 16 times square root of x squared over 16 minus 1. Isn't it? Because we are looking for square root of x squared minus 1, we've already found this here. So it means this is a constant and be factorized outside, isn't it? But square root of 16 is 4. So what do we have? It means you remove it, this is 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 you put outside the integral, isn't it? So we have 1 over 4 into the x over square root of, what is 1 over 16 if you change it into square? So this is x squared over 16. So that is the same as 1 over 16 x squared, isn't it? What is 1 over 16? See, 1 over 16 is 1 over 4 squared. Then x squared minus 1, isn't it? So this one is equals to, so outside, look at this integral, is what we are dealing with. Outside we have 1 over 4, isn't it? Are we together? So we have 1 over 4, then inside what do we have? This is the x over square root of a squared x squared minus 1 over square root of a squared x squared minus 1. Are we together? You are supposed to get 1 over 1 over a. 1 over a. What is your a? Your a is 1 over 4 because this is a squared, meaning a is 1 over 4, isn't it? Yes. So you get 1 over a, then cos inverse of ax. Cos inverse of ax. What is a? 1 over 4x, then plus your arbitrary integration constant at the end, isn't it? So what do you get there to be the answer? Yes. So you can see 1 over 4 cancels out with this 1 over 4, isn't it? A quarter cancels out with that. So what do you remain with the final answer? This one will go with that, isn't it? So you'll remain with that. Cos inverse of 1 over 4x plus c. So you'll remain with cos inverse of 1 over 4x plus arbitrary integration constant. Are we together? Good.